Purse Parlor and I have collaborated and teamed up to bring you the best top 5 pre-loved handbag picks of the week. Stay tuned, you won't want to miss this. Coming in first, we have the beautiful Bottega Veneta Jody in the color white. This bag is ready to steal all your hearts.
I love the fact that it's light colored because it can be re-dyed in case you want to change the color next season or because of any mishaps that resulted in stains.
Next up, we have the Celine Ava in the smooth calfskin leather. This is a gorgeous Celine piece that will complement any outfit, and you can easily take her from day to night.
This Celine bag is in near perfect condition. I expect it to age beautifully.
Third, you have the Celine shiny calfskin black leather for the Celine Teen Triumph bag. This is definitely one you won't want to miss.
This Celine bag is a classic style, hence its value retention will be very good.
Jumping into our favored Chanel, we have a quilted caviar jumbo leather in black with silver hardware. This one is sure to remain a staple piece in anyone's collection for many years to come.
The bag is in very good condition. Caviar leather is super durable, and with the upcoming price increases, this bag is likely going to be a very good investment.
Want a Chanel classic flat but not the hefty price tag?
This classic Chanel flat bag is also made of caviar leather, but it does show some signs of wear.
That concludes our top 5 pre-loved handbag picks of the week. Stay tuned for our top picks next week. Happy shopping!